I don't get emotional that easily, so most of you know that. But at this moment, I still have a feeling that I'm really glad that all of you are here at this location to have the 25th anniversary of the dog together with us. I just wanted to say thank you for being here. I think we have extremely lucky or deserved that we have this weather. We have this great location, so thank you for that already. For the rest, I don't know the details of the program, so don't ask me. I don't know. They didn't tell me. I had to let go. Now, I just wanted to say with that, I think what happens this weekend is one of the things where we will be able to all together make the memories. So again, thank you for being here. Make and experience the weekend, and I would say enjoy. And for the rest, I don't know, we're going to see.
Sit down, quickly! In a chair, and don't laugh! Come in! Sit down! Stop laughing! I didn't say that you would laugh. Sit down, now! Why are you here? What's the reason? Tell me! What's the reason?
Jubileumweekend van de dog.
Sorry?
Jubileumweekend van de dog.
Sit down!
seen things that basically made me proud today to see what happened. All of you have been in a track, have been doing activities, have been collaborating, have been working together, have been doing things, which exactly was the goal of this weekend. The idea of this weekend was to have a really nice, unique location, being together, doing activities together, and at the end have a really nice time collaborating and being the dog family. Please enjoy the evening, enjoy the dinner, and enjoy the party, and of course I would like to see a lot of feet on the floor. Thank you very much.